A Big Island judge could rule on Ian and Shawn Schweitzer's innocence by this week.
But as our Paul Drews reports, the death of a suspect in the Dana, Ireland murder case complicated efforts to clear their names.
Lawyers for the Schweitzer brothers argued in court police should release evidence that could help determine their innocence and filed a subpoena for the information. But Hawaii County says evidence and interviews can't be released because the Dana, Ireland murder case is still active.
The county strongly urges this court to grant our motion to quash because any release of these requested records contravenes the law. Our law states that police reports that are part of a pending investigation at the time of the request may be withheld based upon law enforcement record exemption and the frustration exception to disclosure. This is to avoid impeding an ongoing investigation.
They argue that to release these records, there will be destruction of evidence, loss of witness testimony, tampering with witnesses. Your Honor, we posit that already happened because they failed to follow protocol initially in this investigation of Mr. Lauro.
Mr. Lauro is Albert Lauro Jr., whose DNA matched that found on Ireland at the time of her death. 2 weeks ago, police questioned him, took his DNA, and then he committed suicide.
What we need to do is get to the bottom of what happened to Mr. Lauro and what evidence they have that actually assists our client in this matter.
Ian and Shawn Schweitzer were exonerated for the rape and brutal murder of Ireland more than 33 years ago, but haven't been officially declared innocent. Attorneys are working on that, but say they need evidence from police. Evidence the county doesn't want to reveal right now.
We're not saying petitioners won't ever get the records. We're simply saying that at this moment, the investigation is not complete. How could it be? Mr. Lauro was found deceased approximately 2 weeks ago.
The judge ruled for attorneys with the Innocence Project, ordering Big Island police to turn over evidence and materials to the court.
I'll make a determination of what shall be released to the defendants and or to the public by this Wednesday, August 7 at 10 o'clock a.m.
Then he will hold a hearing at the end of the week where both sides will be able to present witnesses, testimony, and argue whether or not the Schweitzers should be determined innocent in Ireland's death. Paul Drews, Island News.